Good afternoon. My name is Deepak Kulkarni and I am founder director of Wheelback Machines Private Limited. Our company is located in Khadi Machine Shop, Koldwa. He is my partner, Mr. Praveen Late, and we are into manufacturing of EDM machines, electric digital machines. We started this company in 2015 and now in almost next 9 years we have 400 customers in our basket, and we are looking for good electronics and mechanical engineers, for which we have visited KJ Institute, Trinity College of Engineering, and we found this campus very big and really good students we could interview, and I am sure we will give them offer letter in near future and they will accept our offer letter, that is for sure. Thank you.
My name is I am from mechanical engineer. आज आमच्या कॉलेजमध्ये ट्रिनिटी पॉलिटेक्निकमध्ये प्लेसमेंट ड्राईव्हसाठी अरेंजमेंट झाली होती. त्याला उपस्थित आमचे प्राचार्य श्री कांदे सर व HOD मेकॅनिकलचे BR जाधव सर, ENTC डिपार्टमेंटचे पवार सर उपस्थित होते व कंपनी व्हीलबॅक मशीनिंग यातील 2 सहकारी उपस्थित होते. अशाच प्रकारे आमच्या कॉलेजमध्ये प्लेसमेंटसाठी विविध प्रकारचे इंटरव्ह्यू घेतात.